You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Send it to my phone. Send it to my phone. You already know. I'll keep it on the low. Yeah.
Hello guys, have you liked the videos? Do you want to know how to make them? It's very simple. Let us know in this video how to make such awesome effects. For that, you need to go to Play Store. First open Play Store. After that, so in the search bar, let us search that app BIUZO. BIUZO. Don't worry, I provided its direct download link in the description. If you press the description link directly, that app will be downloaded. Let us know how to use that app. Yes, I already installed this app. I'm going to open. Yes, this is BIUZO. It's awesome app which gives very attractive effects to your photos. First, so many options are here: video, MY, funny, love, morning, birthday. So many effects are there here. For that, just select video. Then these are some effects. Do you want to select this effect? You can select. So it will shows the preview. If you press this play button, it will shows the preview. Like this, it's graffiti effect. See, you can replace this photo by selecting download resource. Yes, it's now downloaded. Now you can replace the photo. Replace photo. Online material library, or choose from your gallery. If you want to use your own photo, you can choose from your gallery. Yes, there are so many photos are there. I am going to select this photo. By selecting this photo, I will press OK. See. Yes. Yes, like this you can get the awesome effect to your photo. If you want to make this video, just press on make. It will take some time to make this video. Now you can share to Facebook, WhatsApp, TikTok, others, whatever other social medias you have, you can share, or simply you can save to your gallery. Like this, you can get so many effects. Click on video. Now go on scrolling. You can get so many effects. Very awesome effects are there here. So many effects are there here. You can get very attractive effects. Let us say I'm going to take this one. So I already downloaded this effect. I'm going to just replace the photo. Choose from gallery. I'm going to take this from gallery. Just going to press OK. See. Yes. Like this, you can get awesome effects. By pressing make, that video will be downloaded to you. After that you can share that video to your friends using social medias, and you can save simply to your gallery. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, just press on like, and for more videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.